Hi, Connor. Today it is very cloudy and dark and foggy and rainy and sad, and I am very tired. But nonetheless, I'm still going to find something to talk about. You, on the other hand, you are clearly running out of things to talk about. I mean, seriously, you tried to get a dog to say bye for a solid 30 to 45 seconds. Seriously? You can find something to talk about. And I mean, if you can't, I may or may not have some ideas. You could teach me how to do yoga. I know you don't know how, but neither do I, so make it up. Go around reading weird warning signs or caution labels, stuff like that. Do not swallow whole. You could tell me what you want to do with your life. I don't know where you want to go to school, let alone if you even want to go to school. I don't know what you want to go to school for, not even vaguely. I don't know any of these things. Draw a picture of me with your feet. Do an in-depth case study of the living creatures in our household. If you're not sure what that means, that doesn't matter. Just go with it. Create a piece of beautiful art using things found in our kitchen. Keep the grossness factor to a minimum. You could send me a stuffed walrus wearing a top hat and a monocle. His name could be Mr. Monroe, and I would keep him with me everywhere. You could teach Dad how to dance to Gangnam Style. Do an interview with small children on the current presidential campaigns. You could probably do an interview with James and it would be just as funny. Those are just some ideas. Obviously, you don't actually have to do any of them. They're just ideas. You could teach Dad how to Dougie instead. I mean, that'd be funny too. Now you have no excuse. You will not be recording a dog for 3 minutes. On another note, college is a little different than in high school. A little different. Registration for you guys is in the spring, and you register for the next year, and you pick all your classes at once, and it is not complicated at all. In college, it is very, very, very different. We register for each semester separately. It is only 8 weeks into the semester, and I already have to have generally the classes I want to take next semester picked out. They have this timetable online of all the classes they're going to be offering next semester. And I go in and I pick out the ones I want, maybe the sections I want, because they have different sections of each class, because they're not just going to have one big class, because that would just be scary. When registration opens, they start with the people with the most credits, because they have priority over freshmen who only have 15 or so credits. And I am obviously only a sophomore, so I have a good 2 or 3 weeks to wait after registration opens. Which means by the time I get to pick my classes, half of them are going to be closed. The classes I am hoping to take include a introductory ballet class for non-dance majors, a principles of management class, a journalism class, a psych class called research methods, a psych elective of sorts, some sort of English class. I think it's called like literature and film or something. I may take another internship for 2 credits, and I may take a rock climbing class. Anyway, figure out what to talk about for next time, because if you don't have something interesting, I will be very disappointed. Pointing. I will see you next time, Connor.